the problem that we faced was that the first generation of our generator didn't remove traits on your image. So it was pulling your image from OpenSea or the blockchain, and then it was just pasting another image on top of it. And so if you had like a big jacket and you were trying to put some cool t-shirt on, you would still see that big jacket underneath it. And so to me as an artist, that, I was like, I have to make this where, how can I separate this image that I'm pulling from OpenSea? And so I finally, after months and months of trying to figure it out, trying to talk to Bored Ape Yacht Club, I finally came down to it. It was just like, I'm going to have to cut every single trait of theirs apart myself and remake them and basically reverse engineer their generator that they use to make Bored Ape Yacht Club. And so I did that. I just started going one by one, and kind of an easy process, but tedious. You just, you crop inside the black outline and then you redraw the black outline. You don't have to redraw anything else because it keeps that high definition inside and you keep it clean on the outside. And so I started off with that, but that gave me the baseline for the back end of our app. So now the new generation of the app, when you go into it and it sees, okay, you have ape number 200, it can tell in your metadata that you have a flat brim hat, you have blue fur, and it knows to build it right there in front of you in real time from those layers that we dissected on the back end. And so that now allows us to throw variations in there for users to swap, and it can take off what you have pre-existing, put the new one on seamless, and you just click save and it updates it on the blockchain. And so creating this finally finished my 5-year long search of how do I make creating accessible for everybody, because that was kind of the problem that I ran into over the last 5 years. And that's what I set out to do, was just create an app that makes creation accessible for everybody.